Hi everyone, my name is Toy and I'm the founder of Puddin, and welcome to Puddin's Community Kitchen. I started out on this project a couple of years ago because I wanted to have a space not only for myself, for Puddin, but also for other small businesses that kind of went through the same struggle that I went through, cooking out of your house with your business and just struggling to find commercial space that's not only reasonably priced, but it's also clean and is a nice atmosphere for your business. So a couple years ago, I purchased this building in Capitol Heights, and I got a contractor. I thought I was doing everything correctly, and he did a lot of the work in the space, but didn't complete it. So
count up the bands, count up the digits. All of us died, not all of us living. I pimped up my ride, call me exhibit. I am a man from humble beginnings. Outside Detroit, where it's cold and rigid. You won't be caught if they catch you slipping. No, no, no. Family back home, my family I'm missing. They living good like they getting commission. They getting commission, oh yeah, yeah. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling right. I smoke a weed, but I'm taking a drive. Thinking my pops and where we was at. Whipping the grand, and it's all that we had. Place to place, facing eviction. I was like Raven, man, I had the vision. Picture me here, I picture me winning. Now I'm in the top floor, I'm smiling, I'm grinning. Can't believe that we made it.
the kitchen is going to be used not only for small businesses that are seeking out commercial kitchen space to produce their product. It's also going to be used as a kitchen for the community, for the creatives in the community that need space to teach classes, to exhibit their artwork, for anything that we can think of that would benefit our community in their creative sphere.
Damn. Money buzzes and it's just the way over your scars. Grateful for it all, but my worth is in my heart. When they tell me that I made it, thought I made it from the start. Can't believe that we made it. Can't believe that we made it. I can't believe we was broke, we was breaking. Now I'm here and I'm staying. Can't believe that we made it.
Guys, I can't tell you thank you enough for your generous donation. Thank you so, so much. Please follow me at DCPuddin on Instagram and Twitter, and Puddin DC on Facebook. Check our progress. I'll be posting about the progress of the kitchen and how everything is coming along. And I appreciate from the bottom of my heart all that you're doing to help Puddin Community Kitchen and the community of Capitol Heights. Thank you. Bye.